Did you know that influencers using a tool called Zlick have already generated over 50 million euros in revenue? Yeah, you heard me right. 50 million euros. And yet so many people don't know this tool exists. So today I'm here to change that. So if you're an influencer or content creator, well, this could be the game changer that you've been waiting for. And I'll also compare it with two other popular platforms, Patreon and Ko-fi, so you can see exactly why Zlick stands out. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, let's be real, monetizing as an influencer is not an easy task. Well, sure, you can work with brands, but this also has its own limitations. So here's the thing, brand deals can be hit or miss, or even just seasonal. Sadly, they don't always align with your own values. And once the campaign ends, well, so does your paycheck. Plus, you're stuck in a cycle of constantly hunting for the next gig. And then there's long-form content like YouTube and podcast. Now, clearly, these can bring in a constant stream of income, but they take also a longer time to produce. You have to record, edit, and then polish the final product. So clearly, in a competitive environment, this takes a lot of time and resources as well. Okay, so here's a question for you. How do you turn your audience into a reliable, predictable source of income? Well, I'll tell you how. This is where Zlick comes in. Alright, so welcome to Zlick for content creators. As you can see, their main tagline is how top influencers are secretly earning big. So how does that work exactly? Well, just like we said, it's very simple. All you have to do is scroll down the page and you will see the process here. So first, they offer a seamless setup. So that means they make you a website designed completely bespoke to your unique brand. So they're going to learn about you and make it exactly the way you want, like your audience intended. So they also offer creative freedom. So that means they will discuss what truly matters to you. So your opinions, your likes, and even that secret recipe. So this is a very, very unique experience. And the best part is that they will write content that feels authentically you, just like as if you wrote it yourself. And finally, you will experience effortless monetization. So how does that work exactly? Well, simply point your followers to your new website and they'll take care of the rest. And when it comes to getting paid, you don't have to worry because they offer 100% success rate, which is absolutely amazing. And obviously you are in good company. So these are all the creators that already work with Zlick. So now let's address how much you can possibly earn based on the amount of followers that you have at the moment. So let's assume you have 50,000 followers at the moment. This is the amount of money you can expect to be earning every single month. And obviously the more followers you have, the more money you can earn. Look at these numbers here.
This is unreal. Are you kidding me?
Now let's have a look at a real-life example. So this is a success story. So we have Talia Otway. She's a TV star from the Geordie Shore. And this is basically the website they built for her. And now she's growing her audience and also generating more income. So how does that work exactly? As you can see, this is the blog post that was created specifically for her. And all the content was created for her as well. So if you were to open one of them, this is exactly how you can monetize the content. As you can see, a very compelling title here. Filming Geordie Shore during the COVID was crazy and people want to find out why. So they start reading, and as you can see here, to read the rest of the content, they'll have to pay a small subscription fee that you can set. And Zlick also has the fastest payment method with just one click. As you can see, you can pay with Google Pay or by card. And the best part, it's all done for you. You don't even have to lift a finger. Alright, so how does Zlick compare to two of the most well-known platforms, namely Patreon and Ko-fi? Well, you know what? Let's break it down. Now, Patreon is great if you're willing to commit to consistently creating bonus content, but let's face it, life gets busy and it's hard to keep up. And Ko-fi, on the other hand, is more suited for one-time tips or selling digital products. While it's simple to use, it doesn't offer long-term income potential many influencers need. Okay, so now let's talk numbers and effort. Now with Patreon, you're putting in a lot of work while losing up to 12% of your earnings. Now, Ko-fi requires less effort but comes with limited income potential. Then there's Zlick, minimum effort, high income and lower fees. Plus, they offer customized payment tiers so you can maximize your earnings. Zlick isn't just a theory, it's a proven solution. I mean, influencers in fitness, beauty, gaming, and more have already transformed their income streams using this platform. So whether you're just starting out or have an established audience, Zlick adapts to your needs. Now imagine waking up to the notifications of new subscribers without having to do any of the heavy lifting. So that is the power of Zlick. Okay, so here's the big picture. Patreon and Ko-fi each have their place. Now here's the thing. Zlick combines the best of both worlds. Now here's the thing, it's not just a tool, it's a complete solution to turn your audience into a sustainable revenue stream. Well, there you have it. If you are ready to unlock your full earning potential, well, go to the Zlick website to get started today. And don't forget to mention that Mr. Webb sent you for some extra perks. And hey, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with all your friends whom you think might be interested in this topic. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.